I must record because this is for our documentation that I have to report to our campus. Yeah. So good evening, everyone. On this opportunity, I would like to present Mr. Banjar David to present his presentation about APTIS test. Okay, sir. Please start. Mr. Banjar David, do you want to share your screen? Mau share screen? Tidak? Apakah Bapak menggunakan PowerPoint? Jika menggunakan, saya bisa memberi akses untuk sharing screen. Sudah saya buka, jikalau Bapak ingin sharing. You want to share the screen? No?
My screen, man.
Yeah, you can share your screen now, no problem. I have already give you access to share your screen. So it makes you easy to present, membuat bisa jikalau memang Bapak ingin men-sharing screen-nya ya, tapi kalau hanya ingin speaking boleh, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, Miss.
Ya.
My speaking.
Sorry, muted ya.
Okay. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
I will present about FATs. With this word, we explain about how well learning equality and are not enthusiastic about acting correct learning for listening in system affected by arrogance. Okay, I explain what is apathy. Apathy an attitude of indifference or indifference, disinterest, and lack of enthusiasm for anything. In fact, apathetic people are not interested in the thing that generally attract the attention of my people. However, apathy is not the same as depression. However, this attitude is often associated with several health problems, including dementia, schizophrenia, depression. This indication apathy can significant reduce patient quality of life. Okay, Miss, and finish.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you, sir. All right, good job.
Thank you.
So yes, I move to another students still in class evening class, instrumentation evening class. Okay, Indra Faringga, are you ready? Oh, Indra masih mandi ya? Sorry. Afif, where are you, Afif? Afif, adakah Afif di sini? Oh yes, Afif, kamu bisa mendengarkan saya? Can you listen? Oh, ternyata mungkin Afif ini got problem, I think. Oke, Yogi, where is Yogi? Yogi Simatupang. Oke, now is your turn from evening class ya. Ya, ini dia. Yogi, are you ready? Oke. Yogi. Setelah Yogi nanti Gilang Fajar ya. Oke, Yogi, are you ready? Mana ini Yogi? Yogi? Not ready. Gilang Fajar, mana Gilang Fajar? Gilang Fajar. Gilang Fajar, ada Gilang Fajar? Nggak ready nih. Ya, cuma presentasi aja masa kalian susah sih. Where is Gilang Fajar? Nggak ada juga. Oke. I move ya. Nah. Oke. Indra, are you ready, Indra? Indra Faringga. Indra Faringga, mana dia? Belum juga nih. Oke, saya pindah ya. Oke, so I move to morning class Instrumentation 5A. Okay. Fatur. Okay, Fatur. Ya, ini dia Fatur. Okay, Fatur. Ya, Fatur. Now it's time for you to present your presentation about APTIS test. Ya.
Okay. Before
Can you open your cam?
not ready, Miss. Because I'm tidak sedang di rumah, Ma'am.
Oh, you're outside?
Yeah.
Okay, please start.
Okay. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fatkur Rahman, but you can call me Fatkur. I'm from Instrumentation Engineering, Class A.
Yeah.
This time, I will present my summary from what I got from APTIS test guide. Okay, let's go. APTIS test is an innovative global English assessment tool from the British Council. It is an English test for adults and young adults, which can be used to assess English language ability skills in all four skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. The test structure of APTIS test consists of 5 components. There are 4 grammar and vocabulary, reading, listening, writing, and speaking. That's all I can say. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye, good evening. Ya, okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Nah, oke.
Okay.
Yang malam ini saya beri kesempatan dan bisa perform presentation, saya berikan special score. Ya, nanti lihat aja di e-learning. Pokoknya nilainya bagus. Ya, karena yang saya nilai bukan dari susunan grammarnya yang bagus atau mungkin your pronunciation yang very clear. Yeah, some of you have a very good pronunciation, but some of you don't have because maybe I believe you don't have much time to practice English. Ya, nah, but yang malam ini saya lebih nilai itu adalah apa? Your confidence. Ya, oke. Ya. Untuk nanti mengenai opening and closing, ya opening and closing when you do the presentation, nanti saya akan tunjukkan opening dan closingnya, ya agar nanti jikalau kita akan presentation lagi, Anda sudah punya satu tatanan opening closing yang lebih bagus, lebih grammatically gitu ya. Oke, baik. Tadi ada Fatur. Now I give a chance to the lady. Ya, ini sekarang cewek lagi deh gantian. Ya, Lersia Siva tadi udah hadir ya, Lersia Siva. Lersia, ya ini dia si Lersia. Oke, saya pin dulu nih si Lersianya. Oke, bentar ya. Aduh, kok hilang lagi. Lersia?
Present, Miss.
Ya, oke. Lersia. This is time for you to present your presentation about APTIS test. It's better for you to open your camera. Ya, just prepare yourself. Ya, saya masih ada kesempatan 3 orang lagi dari kelas A pagi. Ya.
Izin share screen ya, Miss.
Ya, oh ya, please izin share screen sudah. Saya sudah beri akses. Silahkan. Very good. Oke. Ya, yang telat-telat nggak apa-apa, langsung aja ikuti temannya presentasi ya. Oke.
Oke, mulai ya, Miss.
Ya, start please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. I want to present about Aptis candidate guide. Aptis is an innovative global English assessment tool from the British Council. It is English test for adult and young adult, which can be used to assess English language ability in all four skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Aptis consists of 5 components: core, grammar and vocabulary, reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Client decide which components are needed for their situation. You, the test taker, will prepare for the core test. Everyone takes the core test and the skill component the client has chosen. You may be taking one skill component, for example, listening, or all 4 skill components: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Aptis reading test. Part 1, sentence comprehension. Part 2, text cohesion. Part 3, short text comprehension. Part 4, long text comprehension. Next, Aptis speaking test. Sorry. Next, Aptis writing test. There are 4 parts of the writing test. You will fill in form, interact in a social media, type, written, conversation, and write emails. All writing tests are marked by an examiner. Plan what you are going to write and then edit your writing before clicking to the next question. The most common mistakes are following: not answering the question, going off topic, read the question, and understand what you need to do. Writing too much but with poor grammar, spelling and punctuation. Keep to the word count and focus on accuracy. Not using a paragraph, using SMS spelling. Next, Aptis speaking test. Each question has a maximum amount of time to speak, but you can end the recording early by clicking on a stop button. If you finish early, you may not score at high level. The most common mistakes are following: not doing a proper sound check, not speaking clearly, not answering the question, giving underline answer, not using the full amount of time to speak, overusing words such as and so, speaking in Okay, this is my presentation. Sorry if I make mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody.
Okay, thank you. Yes, very good, Lersia. Oke ya. Nah, ini sangat clear banget nih, ya. Lersia, thank you so much. You have such a very brief and clear explanations and clear presentation about Aptis test. Nah, I think nanti Lersia saya minta untuk sharing di grup ya. Oke, di grup kelasnya kamu. Nanti saya akan forward ke grup yang lain. Oke, thank you Lersia. One more.
Welcome.
Nah, one more from morning class. Ridwan Caniago.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ridwan Caniago, are you ready to present your presentation?
Just speaking, ma'am.
Ya, just speaking, nggak apa-apa. Kalau kamu tidak bisa share screen, Oke, yang lain
Sekarang
silakan
tuh Mbak,
mute.
kita sekarang nggak promo
Ini
lagi.
siapa lagi yang buka mute? Mute please.
Sekarang dia sudah di 80, kalau dia yang untuk bertiga 1.000.
Oke, oke ya. Tadi saya panggil siapa? Ridwan ya. Oke, Ridwan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridwan Chadiago. Now I'm gonna present about Aptis. Aptis is a new method of English test, modern and flexible method of testing English skills, which designed to comply certain qualifications like reading, speaking, listening, grammar, vocabulary test, and etc. And then these tests can be used an instrument to the level of English fluency for the academic or professionalities purpose. Thank you, ma'am.
Oke,
That's it.
good. Itu saja?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, thank you Ridwan. Oke, good. Saya langsung kasih special score ini ya. Oke. Ridwan Chaniago, kamu pronunciation-nya bagus loh. Ya, jelas. Oke. Bagus. Oke, thank you for morning class. Now I move to evening class. Atau yang dari morning class masih ada yang mau? Ayo, volunteer aja, volunteer. Kerelaan hati. Ini saya berikan nilai khusus loh. Muhammad Ridwan. Oke, siapa lagi tadi? Oh, Tasya. Maudi. Farid Arya, bagaimana? Sebelum saya pindah ke kelas B. Oh, Mi, Daniel Pasaribu. Oke, Daniel Pasaribu, kamu kelas malam ya?
Pagi, Miss.
Oh, pagi. Oke, Daniel. Oke, baik. Now we have Daniel Pasaribu. Oke, thank you, Daniel. Now time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time, Miss. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Premadia Pasaribu. I'm at 5th semester of Instrumentation Engineering, Class B. Okay, good night, everyone. Right now, I will present about Aptis test. Okay, I will introduce about the Aptis test for a short. Aptis is an innovative global English assessment tool from the British Council. It is an English test for adults and young adults, which can be used to assess English language ability in all 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. All right, there are some test structures for Aptis, such as reading, listening, writing, and speaking. It is a good idea to take practice tests so that you fully understand what you need to do. Aptis is about us to upgrade our English skills to be more expert at English. Okay, then there are such as tests for Aptis, like the core. There are 2 parts, like grammar and vocabulary, and reading. There are 4 parts: sentence and comprehension, text cohesion, short text comprehension, long text comprehension, and then there listening. There are 3 parts: part 1, word and number recognition; part 2, identifying specific information; and part 3, inference. And then the next step is writing. There are 4 parts: word level writing, short text writing, pre-written response to question, and part 4 is formal and informal writing. And then the last part is speaking. There are 4 parts: personal information, describe and compare provide reason and explanation. And the last part is discuss personal experience and opinion on an abstract topic. APTIS is an advanced test structure. The APTIS advanced test structure includes the APTIS core test. The more difficult reading, listening, writing, speaking tests from the APTIS test described above and additional tasks which are more demanding. More information about the APTIS advanced test can be found towards the end of this guide. All right, I think that's a short presentation for me. I hope we understand for it. Sorry for wrong spelling or words. Thank you.
Okay, very well done. Okay, good Daniel Pasaribu. Thank you so much. Ya, you already got special score from me. Nanti lihat aja di e-learning ya. Okay, thank you. Daniel Pasaribu from Instrumentation Pagi B. Ya, okay. Okay, so before we go on to the next students, yeah, I want to inform you that if you want to greet, karena ini sudah malam, ya, jadi bukan good afternoon, menjadi good evening, ya. Jangan juga Anda mengatakan good night, karena kalau good night itu kita mau tidur, ya. Istilahnya nanti kalau setelah kita selesai kuliah, baru bisa bilang good night, karena kita mau parting, ya, mau berpisah begitu, ya. Oke. Untuk yang presenter berikutnya, gunakan greeting good evening everyone. Nah, I am Zulmi, for example ya. Tonight I would like to present about APTIS test. Okay, let me begin. Nah, begitu ya untuk nanti peserta berikutnya. Lihat banyak yang berkurang nih, pada kabur nih. Oke. Nah, baiklah. Entah karena sinyal, entah karena mungkin tadi pagi saya sudah ngomong kalau hari ini kita presentation, nah jadinya tidak full hari ini kelasnya ya. Oke, nanti sebelum kita sudahi pertemuan ini, saya akan absen terakhir kali ya. Jadi absen yang pertama tadi itu mungkin banyak yang belum datang sehingga belum terkumpul semua ya. Nah, nanti sebelum kita sudahi pertemuan kita, ya, nanti saya akan absen terakhir kali. Oke, sekarang saya kasih break, ya, karena saya harus sambung lagi. I give you break about 2 minutes, 2 menit aja, ya. Oke, close and join lagi setelah 2 menit. Oke.